Green.
So hi guys.
It's thundering. Guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be spending 24 hours in a tent. Also, we're hangover as shit. And Erica. We got to this so far. Hi, Erica. And then we realised that we could just move this one over here. So we're going to try that now. It's thundering. I mean, it's got it in the
Same time. No trees here for you guys to get thunders. No one's gonna die from this one.
Erica, I'd like to see you die first. I'm just an update. It's fallen down. Say hi. Oh, that's wet. Not as wet as me. Whoop, 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 whoop. What? God. Oh, oh. Fuck.
Sorry, girl.
Bro. Fuck. She just got me out again. Oh, it's frizzy. I laughed while drinking. Went like this. Sprite went in my nose. It feels like I've got hay fever.
Yeah.
I think you shat in your bed.
He did not.
No, you did. It's a massive shit. Mate, there's a massive shit.
He's joking.
Is she being serious? Look.
I can't
Catch.
go.
Brother. Okay, it's a bit wet here. Hi, baby. So we got 2 more minutes. That I could be loud. So I'm gonna take it for advantage. That don't burn in the cat food. 8. Oh. Green. These. OT. And Mate, no, I don't even know what you're giggling about. Bro, the light just turned off and they just had a scrap. Yeah, it's my perfume still. It's a pussy. It's 3 a.m. It's starting to rain because inside she's been inside for an hour. Someone was touching my shoulder. I'm scared. I'm scared. You're taking the piss. Oh. Oh. Oh, abre. Ah. No. Oh. 4 a.m. We've been giggling. We've been scared of lorries. Why did you guys shut up as soon as I stopped vlogging? And also, they've been fucking beating the shit out of me. It's what the fuck?
What's it called? ASMR.
It's Emma. No, don't.
Look.
The mic is over here.
Oh wait, hold on.
It's me.
Dama.
Ice baby.
In Portuguese.
It is what? 4:30? Yeah. Even like an hour or two. 7:30. Took us a while to go to sleep. They're still in the tent. I got up. I was sweating. It was getting hot. Probably because I was asleep. I've got an appointment in 30 minutes. I'm too tired. On 2 hours sleep. 2 fucking hours. Let's go! Basically, it got delayed. And now it's 12 o'clock. I don't want to be in the tent chilling, but...
but it's just like that.
In UK for the first journey. Yay! Cheers. Oh my god. Mandy.
Hey guys.
Give some more space. It's nice with the clip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's quite nice actually. Serve a pasta.
I'll tell you what I did.
It was hard. I just went, oh here.
Emily. Mandy will have everything recorded from.
No, put the chicken in first. You build it in like that. Put the chicken in first. More one here. Right.
I know.
Oh, it's still staying in there.
My God, I bet it will be delicious.
Oh, I love the
Thank
sauce
you.
of this. And then you just, so you make sure it doesn't
Excuse me, I'll
go
try.
over the, oops. You go like
My
that.
hand hurts.
Go like that.
Feeding your father getting
Go
the
like
mountain.
Oh yeah. There you go.
No, not that one. Location.
Enjoy.
It's Maklo.
It's Maglu.
It's Maklo.
It's Maglu.
Oh, sorry.
Yummy.
I'm tidying up.
Oh. It's already gone.
Guys, if you want
What's this again?
Rogan Josh. Chicken Rogan Josh.
Chicken Rogan Josh.
You might.
Foda-se, caralho.
That was the right word. For the correct for the moment. Oh, don't do that. You can eat it.
I'm not comer. Where's mine? There.
Next to you.
Mate, I'm having a shit day.
So, David.
Portuguese, no, I swear, Portuguese are like a kettle. If you say something wrong, they'll explode.
No.
Pretend. No, why are we scrapping that? Pretend. You turn the kettle on, you say something wrong, and they explode.
With chemical, in quick shake, it doesn't take much, then they're off.
Volcano. You're talking about the Portuguese.
What we just got about the British.
One after the
You're still not on it. You're still.
Lollipop.
Not,
do the card.
You're not on clogs.
Lollipop.
No, the farmers need still.
Oh, yeah. Clogs. Why would
After
they?
eight.
I mean, wooden clogs. wasn't
After
it?
eight.
So,
After eight.
were they? Was there a
After eight.
reason, particular reason, or well,
After
easy
eight.
to make,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
Yeah,
Just hard.
Review of the chocolate. I know this.
Yeah, the famous after 8.
You alright? Wait, why is it not? Erica, you would do that as a job. What? Yup.
Hello.
Where's mine? Mate! Wait.
I just recorded mum by accident. I thought you were behind me.
I don't like the sound of that.
Hello.
Shut your bitches! Shut up! Nate, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna push you down these stairs. You'll be another ghost. Go first! Bro, why? Yeah. How rich do you think I am? Donate £3.
Out there, so that the roof.
The ceiling
You can
of.
seal it.
Yeah.
The ceiling. Yeah.
Oh, no one's mine.
Yeah.
They obviously.
Outside?
Yeah, but they obviously made the
Yeah, lands
plots.
and fakes, but.
Mate, I just missed it. It went ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
Gets dead. Yeah. Look at me too.
We were just here. And now we're all the way here.
No, just turn the camera and was turned.
On the left, these are one of the.
Babes, this is the view we got. Dang, we gotta go quick. Don't fall down the stairs. That. Bang.
Oh my god.
Camera, where's the camera?
Stay there.
Oh my god, my book is on my arms.
Who they riding? It is the elephant.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dale! Hey, buddy, you need to tilt to the side. We used to see it.
And then you do the top, and I'll say, I'm like a bird.
Oh my god, the girls are riding an elephant.
Okay.
Come on,
Oh my god, how the fuck did you get off?
I need to film it. Her coming out.
Okay, wait,
Oh,
let go.
hell.
Fucking hell, man.
So, girls, did you enjoy the ride? Did you enjoy the ride?
Don't go camera. Oh, the fucking... Shanna. Where? Oh, shit, no. I'm still in clubbing, like... It's clubbing, like, you know what I mean?
Look at that pig.
Oh, shit, man.
Children! They're like two boys.
Oi, Erica. The acai grave. There's people behind you. The forehead's getting bigger and smaller. I don't want to be so big forehead. Wait, we're playing this. And then they were going first, and she thought I lost, and then my mum fell off the fucking chair. I think she's got stitches. Oh my god, mate. Mate, give it to me. I'll put it in. To you.
Dame för läppning.
Dame ungur. Ungur. Wait, hammer. Dame ungur. Dame ungur.
Okay?
Ungur.
Ah,
Man. It hurts when I swallow. Watching skids take my hand. I think this is the end of the vlog.
bye.
What's the special words that I always say in every video?
Like and subscribe.
She just touched my toe. Like and subscribe and
comment down below.
something else. Ding!
Notification
Bell on. Yeah, subscribe, like, put the notification bell on and comment down below. Say hi if you see this.
Hi.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's gonna be more videos that like coming very soon, like my Billie Eilish video in 2 days. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys then. Bye. I fucking hate